Hey first grade friends, Unit 3 practice. We are reading words with OO and OU. Let's start with our sounds. My turn first. A apple A. A safe A. E egg E jeep E. I itch I. I pine I. O octopus ah. O home O. U up U mule U. U rule oo. CH chinch. TH thumb. SH ship sh. O school oo. O book OU trout ow. OU soup oo. AW saw aw. OI coin boy. Let's practice some chaining. And we'll make sure that we are there. Okay, first word we're going to start with. Okay, this word says yes, tote. The O is long because the E tells O to say its name. So the word is tote. Now the word is yes, tot. And I see my sizing. Okay. So now my word is tout. Yes. I'm going to change this sound. Now the word is yes, gout. OU says ow. If I take off the first sound, I'm left with what word? Yes, out. If I add this sound to my word, the word is yes, pout. Now the word is yes, pot. Now the word is yes, pat. Now the word says yes, pan. And if I add this, the word is now yes, pain. So when we go from a short vowel, one vowel, closed and on the right, the vowel is short, to adding a second vowel where the E makes the A say A. Okay, we're going to do a second chain here, and we're going to start with this word. Okay, this word says hound, hound. We're starting with hound. I'm going to change the sound. So now the word says yes, round. I'm going to change this. So now we have the word yes, bound. I'm changing it again to a different letter. Now our word says yes, mound. When I change the vowel, now my word says yes, mend. Now I'm going to erase the last sound and my word says yes, men. Now I'm going to change the vowel sound and my word says yes, moon. Oops. Now we have yes, moon. Now we have yes, boot. And now we have bout. Yes, great job chaining today, friends.